And we're back. Okay, so let us continue with our topic under quarter 1, week number 4, which is none other than rectangular coordinate system. But for this particular video, we will focus on linear equations in two variables. So let's go. Before anything else, let us do a recap. Okay, so ano na ba yung alam natin at nasaan na ba tayo? Based on the previous video, we've learned about the Cartesian plane. So here is our Cartesian plane. And so far, what we know is that the Cartesian plane is composed of two perpendicular number lines. So we have the x-axis, which is the horizontal line, and we have the y-axis, which is the vertical line. Okay, and we also learned that on a Cartesian plane, we can plot points. Kaya naman na-introduce natin si x and y. X and y here is our ordered pair. O yan na, malinaw. They are a pair. Partners sila. So they go together. So dapat dalawa sila. And they are in order, meaning x comes before y. And let us give them their names. X is actually called the abscissa, while y is called the ordinate. We don't usually hear them being called abscissa and ordinate, but this is good info to know. Okay, we usually just call them the ordered pair xy. Okay? Then we also learned about 0, 0, the ordered pair 0, 0, which is our origin. Ayun. Okay? Kung saan nag-meet si x at saka si y na lines, yun ang ating origin. So, dahil nasa 0 siya, wala pang movement kay x at wala pa ring movement kay y. So, why am I referring to these as movements? Okay, let us review. Okay. Nagbigay kasi tayo ng example. Na halimbawa, merong tao, di ba? Every time this person moves to the right, that is positive. And if this person moves to the left, that is negative. So, as you can see, the movement is along where? The x-axis. So, again, left and right, x-axis. Kasi siya yung pahiga. Pero, if we're going to move along the y-axis, if we go up, that's positive. If we go down, that is negative. Okay? Let us continue. Okay, so now let us plot the points. So if, example, we have point A, negative 3, 5. So, ang x natin is negative 3. It's negative, so the movement is to the left. Okay? Yan. So, lagyan lang natin siya ng marker dyan. And then, yung y natin is 5. So, that means it's positive, so we move upwards. Okay? At ayun ang ating point A, which is negative 3, 5. Let's plot another point. How about point B? We have 0, 2. So, ang x natin ay 0, so walang movement. Okay? And then, ang y natin is 2, so we move 2 spaces upwards. There you go. So, we have 2 points, point A and point B. So, here's what we're gonna do. What if we connect these 2 points? And form a line. Okay? There's a line. So, ano yung mapapansin nyo? Okay? Kung inyong susiriin, hindi lamang yung point A at hindi lamang yung point B ang makikita natin dito sa line na to. There are numerous other points along this line. Okay? O, pag-isipan nyo yan, ha? Okay, we will continue. Okay. Here is a blank Cartesian plane. At ibabalik ko yung line natin kanina. What if I tell you that this line has an equation? At ang equation niya ay ito, x plus y equals 2. Okay? This equation is a linear equation. Okay? Hindi ba obvious? Kaya siya linear equation because it formed a line nung siya ay ating ginraph. And anyway, another clue para malaman natin kung isa siyang linear equation, the highest exponent is 1. Okay? this particular equation also has two variables. Okay? Ang variables natin ay si x at si y. Okay? So, mag-focus tayo dito sa ating linear equation. What if we're given the linear equation x plus y equals 2? Okay? At alam natin that this equation will form a line. At gusto nating i-drawing yung line dito sa ating Cartesian plane. How are we going to do that? Hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga points. Okay? So, how can we plot it? Doon pumapasok yung mga ordered pairs. So, we could assign values for x and then solve for y para makabuo tayo ng mga ordered pairs. Okay? So, here is an example of a table. Nag-assign ako ng value for x, which is 0. So, kung si x ay 0, at ang equation natin ay x plus y equals 2, in order to make this equation true, at 0 si x, so mawawala na si x, so y would be 2. Okay? So, para mas madali, solve natin siya in this way. So, if we're going to solve for y, yan, si x ay nilipat ko sa other side ng ating equal sign. Kaya naging negative yung kanyang sign, negative x. Okay, so every time we're going to solve for y, we will use the equation y is equals to 2 minus x. Okay, so for example, inassign natin na ang x ay 1. Therefore, si y ay 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, if x is 3 naman, then y is 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. What if x is negative 2? Then y would be 2 minus negative 2 equals 4. And another example, what if x is negative 5? Then we will have y equals 2 minus negative 5, which will give us 7. So, ano mapapansin nyo? Meron na tayong mga ordered pairs. We can now plot the points. So, let's do that. So, we have, hindi ko nga lang sunod-sunod yung aking pagka-plot. So, sorry. So, we have x is 1, y is 1, 1, 1. Okay, that's 1 point. Then, we have another point, which is 0, 2. Okay. Another point, which is 3, negative 1. Yan. Another point, which is negative 2 and 4. And we form a line. Okay? So, as you could see, hindi ko na nilagay si negative 5, 7. Pero, tama naman, di ba? Tignan nyo. I-trace nyo ng kamay nyo sa inyong screen. So, if x is negative 5, we move 5 spaces to the left. And then, if y is 7, we move 7 spaces upward. So, mukha namang tumama, di ba? Tumama yung line natin along that point. So, yun yung simple explanation ng ating linear equation. We have a linear equation, and then we could substitute values for x, and then solve for y, so that we could have ordered pairs. And then we could plot those points, connect the dots, and draw a line. Okay, so we will learn more about this on the following videos. So for now, coordinates connected. See you again, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the Cartesians CNHS Grade 8 Math Teachers channel. See ya! Bye-bye!